everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and today I'm doing a video overviewing Suqqu summer collection. And I'm very excited to do this video because I have quickly become a mega fan of Suqqu. Their products are gorgeous, from the packaging to the curation of the colors and the color stories of the entire collections. I am just enamored with their brand and how they pour so much of their legacy into the creation of the products. I think it's all so cool. And if you all may recall, I did a video overviewing their pre-summer 2021 collection, which I will have linked here as well as down below. I so generously received that collection from them, building up to our episode of Behind the Beauty that we did with George. And if you all haven't had a chance to check that out, I will have that linked down below as well. But that collection was gorgeous. And so when they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to receive the summer collection, I was like, of course I do. I would love to try out these products because I think their brand is really, really gorgeous. They have so many beautiful products, and some of their products have become some of my holy grail products in my entire collection. So with that being said, let me give you all a few more details about the summer collection. I have it pulled up on their website. So this collection is called the Seaside Sunset Collection, and this is a limited edition for 2021, and it's inspired by the colors of a beach at sunset. Suqqu brings unique colors to the ephemeral summer. I don't have every single piece from the collection, but I do have the 2 eyeshadow palettes as well as the 2 eyeliners and a lip product, and they also sent me over a piece of their skincare. This one is the Enriched Foaming Wash, and I have thoroughly enjoyed this. I have taken it out of the box and put it back in the box multiple times, but I love how it gets my skin feeling clean without stripping it, and I'm always down for a foamy cleanser because it makes me feel like I'm really doing something with my skincare. So I really have enjoyed this one a lot, and you don't need a lot of it, just a little bit, and it gives you that really nice foam that I'm looking for that feels really rich and velvety. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm going to do this look that you see right now second. I am going to do another look first, so let's do that one and then we'll roll into this one and then we'll close out the video. So I hope that you all enjoy. So here's the first eye look that we're doing, and I'm going to be using the 104 eyeshadow quad blending brush. Let's take this shade right here and pop that in my crease. Ooh, that's going on about a half shade darker than my complexion, which is nice if I want to do a really natural crease color. Next, I'm going to tap here and move down ever so slightly and take that, ooh, even more in the crease to intensify. But I'm not going to take it on top of the color that I already have on the crease. I'm just going to take this one slightly up underneath it. Pretty. You see how it's giving a little bit more definition because it's slightly deeper. Same brush, and let's tap here. I'm just going to take that on the outer corner on the lid, tap it on, and blend it over. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy flat shader in this really beautiful crystallized looking shade, and I'm just going to tap that all on the inner portion of the lid and then bring it down towards the inner corner, just like so. I want it to just look like a sheer wash of color. It doesn't have to be super opaque at all. This color is gorgeous. Next, let's do some eyeliner. Let's shake it up. I'm going to take the shade 102. Ooh, this is going to look really good with my lipstick. That's really cool. Pencil brush, and I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to pop that on the lower lash line. And then let's go back in here and get this shade. Pop that on the lower inner corner on the lash line. And there you have it. Here's the first eye look. I think it looks mesmerizing. Very beautiful. It definitely reminds me of a sunset. I love it. And it blended out so easily. I really didn't have to do too much to get the colors to just really merge together and give me a beautiful eye look. So it's really pretty. The first thing that I need to do is put on my lips. I'm going to put on the New Comfort Lip Glow. And I'm not going to butcher the name. It's 104. Let's go ahead and apply her. This feels really comfortable on the lips. It is not the traditional summer lip color that I think of when I think of summer, but I think it's really pretty and it has a really cool edge to it. And this formulation is amazing. It feels so cushiony on the lips. It has a little bit of that glow to it. It's a little bit glossy, but not too much. It's a hybrid between a creamy lipstick and a lip gloss. Let's go into the 105 palette, and I'm going to dip into this shade with a blending brush and take that in the crease area. I'm going to take this as my crease shade back and forth. This has a nice little slip to it. Step 2, I'm going to dip into this shade right here and gently take that on the outer corner on the lid and then gradually wrap it around to connect to the crease area. Next, I'm going to take a flat shader and dip into this cranberry-esque shade. I'm going to pop that on the lid. So I'm not going to cover up any of the other eyeshadows that I've already applied. But I'm going to take this one right on the lid area, blend it next to that outer corner color, and then blend it up towards the crease, but not in the crease. And then I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm going right into this shade right here. And I'm going to take that right on the inner corner. In the pan, it kind of gives you a little bit of a purplish hint to a silver tone, and that is translating gorgeously on the lid. I'm going to wrap that around on the inner corner, on the lower lash line, and then in the middle, I'm going to go back with this shade, same pencil brush, and bring that over, connect it to the color on the inner corner. And then I'm going to go back with the darkest shade and connect it to the top. So I'm starting here and I'm blending next to the color that I have in the middle. And then I'm just going to gradually wrap it around to where it just looks like one big blended circle. So I have some different liquid eyeliner options, and both of them look like that would be really, really good with my eye look. This one is 102. That one would be really nice with the eye look that I have on. It fits in with that same color scheme. I don't have any eyeliner of any sort that is this color. And then I have 103, which isn't the same shade, but I feel like it would give a really cool contrast to my eye look. So I'm going to go ahead and use that one. I'm just going to go on top of everything and create some eyeliner. Ooh. And it's opaque. This color looks like it would be a little bit lighter based on the swatch, but it's going on top of some of these darker colors and really, really looking pronounced. I love that. And here's the finished second look. I hope that you all like it. I thoroughly enjoy Suqqu products. I think that they are very well made, and I love that they have a particular color story and they give you things that are interesting that you just don't have a lot of in your collection. And that's what makes each launch really special, and I love this. It's not the typical summer collection that I think of when I think of summer collections, but I'm always excited not to have the typical summer looks because I want to diversify my collection. So let me know if you all own anything from Suqqu down in the comments section, and I look forward to reading what you guys have to say. Thank you so much again to Suqqu for sending over this gorgeous collection. I do appreciate it. Smooches. Bye.